So Ecuador 2023. This has been probably the most amazing trip we've ever had, even though it's been a little bit hard on some days. But it's my heart, because the people of Ecuador are my heart. As we are able to bring hope, love, and the gospel of Jesus Christ to the people of Ecuador.
We come here for two purposes. One, to give y'all clean drinking water. Two, we come here to give you living water. We're here to tell you about Jesus Christ. I'm going to tell you a little story.
Jesus died for your sins.
No.
Así no, aleluya.
Okay.
Gracias. You made your body in your own image, and you know the areas that are sick, and we believe that you can heal.
Even though we come to give our lives away, and we wind up taking so much more back.
But you can never imagine the kind of feeling it gives you in your spirit to be helping people and loving people the way this does. And you can interview anybody that goes on the trip, and they'll tell you the same thing, that they don't go home the same way they came.
And that's our goal.
It's life-changing, and it's only through God. It's only through the Holy Spirit.
Absolutely.
Ciao.